Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Do you want to migrate IceWarp Mailbox to IMAP account? If yes, watch this few minutes video specially designed for you. Let's start by downloading the 4 and 6 IceWarp Forensics Wizard on Windows supportive system. Now, run the application and open it. As you see, this utility has a simplified and intuitive interface that anyone can use to achieve the task. First, go to the Open tab and select Open IceWarp Configured Account if you have IceWarp application running on your machine. Otherwise, choose Folder option to upload emails without IceWarp installation on your system. Wait, as the software is analyzing the IceWarp folders. The tool lists all the IceWarp mailboxes in the software interface. Here, click on the IceWarp mailbox that data you want to preview in the software window. As you see now, all the emails in the IceWarp folder are listed one by one. Next, click on the desired email to view in the software panel. This way, you can preview the IceWarp emails with all the elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on it and choose whether you want to open it or save it. This famous application also allows you to save IceWarp folder into multiple saving options. Moreover, you can extract phone numbers, email addresses, from the IceWarp mailbox. So, let's click on the Export tab and select IMAP. Now, please select the desired IceWarp mailbox and deselect the rest folders. As you see, there are multiple options available in the software panel. So, let's first understand them, and it is up to you whether you want to enable the option. The first one is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next is include email header. We recommend that you disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. The last one is appended to default folders. This option is basically for the mapping of the folders such as inbox to inbox, sent to send, and more. It allows users to insert emails into default mail folders. Now, enter the name of the folder that you want to create in IMAP account containing IceWarp emails in the backup folder name tab. Then, fill the email address, password, of your IMAP account. Also, fill the server address and port number of your IMAP account. After all, click on the Save button to start the process of IceWarp to IMAP account migration. The utility provides live migration in the software panel, as you can see. Now, wait for a while. Later, the message appears on your screen, declaring that the process to migrate from IceWarp to IMAP account is completed successfully. The demo edition of the software allows you to export only 10 items from IceWarp to IMAP account. Click on the OK button. Finally, go to your IMAP account. And you will see a folder named as exported. Tap on it and get the IceWarp emails with all properties.